Mieri iri kuma mubango wa kumatha motungata ma urigiti wa Taifa kia urugurio, mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni ahinyiriirie muingi gwetikira kwiyumiria na kwiyandikithia mubango-ini uyu niguo mahote kwamukira motungata magaciru. President urio kwaragia hindi ya mambura ma gukungwira mambura ma 61 ma Jamuhuri agathiriirie mubango uyu gukorwo ukinyaniirie motungata maingi maria mubango wa NHIF utangiraheanire, akiuga nduri na muthutukanio o wothe gwakinya ni motungata.
Under Taifa Care, our inclusive, universal, efficient and transparent healthcare service model, we are implementing a transition on an unprecedented scale.
President hamwe noguo agathiriirie kaunti ya Kirinyaga, Nyeri, Bomet, Embu udumwe na kaunti ya Lamu amu nicio itongoretie hari wiyandikithia, guku agicakaya kaunti ya Turukana, Marsabit, Mandera hamwe na kaunti ya Garissa gwikururia wiyandikithia-ini uyu.
Taifa Care ensures healthcare access for all registered citizens without discrimination of whatever kind. The program has accurately determined the cost of healthcare services and products, ring-fenced resources for equipment and facility improvement, and leveraged digital technology to radically enhance the management, coordination, and delivery of healthcare, promoting efficiency, transparency, inclusivity, and sustainability.
Ona kuri uguo muingi ni ukoretwo ugikaya kwaga kwamukira motungata makinyaniru kumana na kwigucia kwa uhuthiri wa mutambo wa Taifa Care. President akiuga mathina maya ni makinyite muthia na arwaru ni maramukira motungata gutari na muhinga.
I wish to ask you this important question, each and every Kenyan. Have you registered? Nyinyi mmejisajili? Mumejiandikisha?
Hamwe noguo President ni ahinyiriirie aciari gwetikira kwandikithia ciana ciao mubango-ini uyu ugikinyiria kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka niguo gutigirira onao ni magia na mweke wa gukenerera motungata maya.
Taifa Care inataka kila mtoto wa Kenya awe na bima ya afya. Wakati wazazi mtarudisha watoto wenu shuleni, tunataka kila mzazi aandamane na mtoto wake ndio tuweze kusajili watoto wote wa Kenya.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.